Na. Here we go again. Procedure ng pagtatanim ni Mark Ace. Ayun, no? Ang galing, oh. Ang kulit, oh. Jericho, oh, ayaw magpainit.
This is how you go to it. It's mud.
It's muddy.
Mudstone. This is a mango. Mango tree. Mango tree.
I-continue na para yung bote. Diba? Tuloy-tuloy.
Contract na yan. Where's the bottle, Jericho? Give it to me.
Yan, tapos na po ang pagtatanim. Itatanim na po ang bote.
This is the contract.
Si Mark Ace po ang may karapatan.
States that we are responsible for this tree.
Yes. Mabubuhay kaya yan? Si Ace yan nagtanim eh.
Okay na, mabubuhay. Di ba, ma'am? Mabubuhay yan.
Imaginary si Mama.
Siyempre si Ma'am pa. Papasa tayo niyan eh.
Ma'am, group 4 yan.
Group 4 siyempre.
Pagganap namin IT programmer, babalikan namin to.
Isa po dito pumapatay na suso.
What are you talking about?
Yun eh.
In English? Are you?
No, I'm not. Because my nose is bleeding.
Oh, the ball's been
Okay, that's finished. Finish. Been finished na.
has been finished na.
Yes.
The ball has been under the ground.
Okay.
Okay na?
Yes.
And then a 1, a 2, a 3 pose. Hindi pala tapos diligan, patawa yung mga tagatanim. Ayan, tinataniman, dinidiligan pa na Jericho. Ang bilis, oh. Si Ace. May.
Matching hugas-hugas.
Yan, no?
States
May-
that one small tree is need 3 gallons.
Okay, ang emo. Game. Okay, 1,
There you go.
2, 3, pose.